Hello and welcome to English Next Level. I'm Chris, and I'm so happy you're here today. In this podcast, I speak slowly and clearly with simple words so you can repeat after me easily. Today, we will practice 100 sentences for talking about yourself in English. This is perfect for beginners. Speaking about yourself is one of the most important skills in English. Let's start this amazing journey together. Why is this topic so important? Every day, you meet new people. At work, at school, with friends. People always ask about you. When someone says, "Tell me about yourself," you need to be ready. These sentences will help you feel confident and speak naturally. Remember, every English speaker started exactly where you are now. Even I made mistakes when I was learning. The secret is not perfect English. The secret is practice, practice, practice. Today, we will practice together, and you will feel more confident after just 20 minutes. Don't worry about making mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy. You are doing something wonderful for yourself right now. I'm proud of you for being here. Let's start with simple words about yourself. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Basic information. My name is. I am from. I live in. I am years old. I am years old. Family. I have a family. My family is small. I have one brother. My mother is kind. Work and study. I am a student. I work in an office. I study English. I like my job. Personality. I am friendly. I am a happy person. I like meeting people. I am learning every day.
Great job! You're already speaking English. Let's continue with more sentences. Now I will tell you about myself, and you repeat each sentence. This helps you practice real conversation. My name is Chris. I am from Canada. I live in Toronto now. I am 32 years old. I have a small family. My wife is very kind. I have one dog. His name is Max. I work as an English teacher. I love helping students. I speak slowly for my students. Learning English makes me happy. Excellent! You just had a conversation in English. Do you feel more confident? I hope so. Let's learn more sentences about hobbies, food, and feelings. These are very useful every day. Hobbies and interests. I like reading books. I love listening to music. I enjoy watching movies. I like cooking food. Swimming is fun for me. Food and preferences. I like pizza very much. Coffee is my favorite drink. I don't like spicy food. I cook dinner every day. Daily life. I wake up early. I take the bus to work. I eat lunch at 12. I watch TV in the evening. I go to bed at 10. Feelings and opinions. I feel happy today. I think English is interesting. I am excited about learning. I feel proud of my progress. You are doing amazingly well. Keep going.
Let me share more about my daily life. Remember to repeat after me. I wake up at 7 every morning. First, I drink coffee. I read the news online. Then I prepare my English lessons. I love teaching my students. At lunch, I eat a sandwich. In the afternoon, I answer emails. After work, I go for a walk. I call my family every evening. Before bed, I read a book. I feel grateful for my life. Tomorrow will be another good day. Fantastic! You just listened to a complete story and repeated everything. Your speaking is getting better and better. Now it's your turn to practice alone. I will give you sentence starters and you finish them with your own information. Don't worry about perfect grammar, just try. Try these. My name is. Say your name. I live in. Say your city. I like. Say something you enjoy. My family. Say something about your family. Every day I. Say something you do daily. I feel. Say how you feel right now. Take your time. Speak slowly and clearly, just like me. Remember, you are practicing, and practice makes perfect. Wonderful job today.
You practiced 100 sentences about yourself, and you should feel very proud. You listened carefully, you repeated sentences, and you even tried speaking on your own. This is exactly how you improve in English. Remember, every sentence you practice today makes you stronger tomorrow. Keep using these sentences with friends, family, or even in the mirror at home. Small steps every day create big changes. Thank you for spending this time with me. You are on an amazing journey, and I believe in you completely. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, you can do this. See you next time on English Next Level, where we make English simple and fun together. Until then, keep speaking and keep believing in yourself.